Ghazwat Tabuk, this was the occasion when Rasulullah had to go and take the army all the way to the border. We talked about Ghazwat Tabuk in Umar radiallahu ta'ala's time as well. Rasulullah appointed Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu to stay behind to look after the Medina city while he was away. So he be the Amir of Medina while Rasulullah was away. So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he was a warrior. He didn't want to stay back and look after men and women and children. So he said to Rasulullah the next day, Ya Rasulullah, I'm going to miss you so much. I'm already missing you. Just knowing that you will be away. When you will be away, how much more I will miss you. So he said that, Ya Rasulullah, are you leaving me to just look after women and children? I mean, like, is that what I'm reduced to? He said, I want to be with you and fight with you. Why are you reducing me to just be with women and children? So Rasulullah said to him that are you not happy with the fact, Ama tarda an takuna minni, that you are to me bimanzilati Harun min Musa, that as Harun alayhi salam was to Musa alayhi salam, ghayra annahu la nabuwata ba'di, except the fact that there will be no Nabi after. I mean, this was a great honor. He was saying that just Musa alayhi salam could trust Harun alayhi salam to look after the people after him. He said that I can trust you to look after people after me, except for the fact that Allah made Harun alayhi salam a Nabi, and there will be no Nabi after me. So this was again a very big honor that was given to Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. One more interesting thing happened. I'll just now talk few things which shows that how Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was a very intrinsic part of the family of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once a delegation came from Najran. Najran was in where? Was in Yemen in Africa. It wasn't. Najran is still border of Yemen. It's not border. It's now in Saudi, but it was Yemen, part of Yemen at that time. A delegation came from Najran, and there were 60 men in there, and these were all influential, well-off traders, high valued individuals, and they had come with one of the leading pope of that time. And Pope at that time were influential personalities, so they would be surrounded mostly by, men like, such traders. So they all came to discuss the Christianity with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Pope name was Abdul Masih. So he came and he said to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdul Masih, that Sayyidina Isa was born without a father. Therefore, Sayyidina Isa is the son of Allah. Na'uzubillah. When he said this to Rasulullah said, okay, if you say that Isa was born without this father, therefore he's the son of Allah, then Adam was born without a father and a mother. So then how is it he is not the son of Allah? Why do you acknowledge him as the prophet of Allah and not? So now this was such a logical argument that they were again clean bowled. They didn't know what to say. So they said, okay, they closed up and they said, we'll come some other time. At this point in time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to Rasulullah, Wahi came down on Rasulullah and he said to him that do a mubahila with them. Mubahila is a sort of discourse in which you challenge the other party to say that you bring your children and your family members, and I will bring my children and my family members, and whoever is wrong, may the curse of Allah be on them. And this is actually, it came down in the ayah of Quran, Al Imran, فَقُلْ تَعَالُوا نَدْعُ أَبْنَاءَنَا وَأَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَنِسَاءَنَا وَنِسَاءَكُمْ وَأَنفُسَنَا وَأَنفُسَكُمْ ثُمَّ نَبْتَحِلْ فَنَجْعَلْ لَعْنَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَى الْكَاذِبِينَ. That, or Rasulullah tell them that you bring your sons, we will bring ours, you do bring your women, we will bring ours, and you bring your people and we will bring ours, and then we will all ask Allah, and whoever is the liar, Allah's curse be on that. So Rasulullah gave them the offer from Mubahila, and then from his family he took Sayyidina Ali, Sayyidina Fatima, Sayyidina Hassan and Sayyidina Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala ajma'in, and he said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allahum ha'ula'i ahli, that, oh Allah, these are my family. So he took them and he said that I brought my son, my woman, my children, you bring yours, and let's do a mubahila and see who it is. But they knew they were wrong, so they cut corners and they left. But the point of sharing this occasion was that when Rasulullah had to present his family for such a matter, Ali radiallahu ta'ala was among them. Rasulullah once said to Ali radiallahu ta'ala, Anta minni wa ana minka, that you are from me and I am from you. This is like same as saying that we are same blood, just to show the closeness and affection between them. He made these things. Another occasion, Rasulullah said that La yuhibbuka illa mu'minun wa la yubghiduka illa munafiqun. He said to Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu that, O Ali, no one will love you except that he is a mu'min, and no one will have a bughz with you or would have a hatred for you or animosity for you except that he is a munafiq. A litmus test. And a litmus test is that if you have love for Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu in your heart, you are a mu'min, and if you have an iota of a hatred for Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, you are a munafiq. And it holds true today as well. No one should have this delusion that we can comment about anything about Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu in a negative manner. He was a very high status individual, very close personality of Rasulullah.